Stop! Before you spend money on YouTube SuperStar, let me show you something. In this video, I'm going to log into the members area, show you how everything works, create a campaign step-by-step, reveal all the upgrades, show you my exclusive bonuses worth over $500, and then you can decide if this is the shortcut you've been looking for or just another shiny AI tool. Let's jump inside.
Ordinary people become YouTube superstars without recording videos, showing their face, or saying a single word on camera. Just pick a niche, let AI do the heavy lifting, and focus on growing your channel. All right, let's jump into the app and see how it all works. So after logging in, this is the main dashboard. You're instantly greeted with a massive library of ready-to-use templates, making it easy to discover new ideas and start creating in seconds. We've got romantic, funny, motivational, inspirational, emotional, relatable, and much more. And if you'd rather create something completely unique, you can always start from scratch. All I need to do is upload my visual, enter a dialogue, and let AI handle the rest. Now let's head back and take a look at some of the trending templates. I'm going to select this one right here, Introvert Life. I'll enter. You know, sometimes silence says more than words. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
You know, sometimes silence says more than words.
We simply selected a template, entered a single line of dialogue, and the AI handled everything else automatically. Now let's try something a little different. I'm selecting this anniversary template from the romantic category. This time, I'm going to let the AI create the dialogue for me. I'll enter, a special anniversary night. Now I'll click the AI button. The AI instantly generates a complete dialogue. Let's click Generate Video. And our video is ready.
A magical anniversary evening awaits.
Now let's explore one more example. I'm selecting the self-discovery template from the inspirational category. I'll enter. Maybe I've been looking everywhere except within. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
Maybe I've been looking everywhere except within.
That looks absolutely incredible. But that's not all. YouTube SuperStar also comes with powerful growth tools. Smart Topic Finder scans YouTube for you, helping you discover trending topics, analyze competitors, and identify high RPM content opportunities in any niche. We also have AI title, description, and tags generators to help optimize your content. And with the AI thumbnail generator, simply enter a prompt, click Generate, and get a custom thumbnail in seconds. If you've ever wanted to become a YouTube superstar, this is the easiest way to get started.
Now, let's quickly cover the upgrades. OTO 1, Unlimited Thunderbolt unlocks additional power, higher limits, and more automation capabilities. OTO 2, Megastar advanced features designed to speed up channel growth and content production. OTO 3, Unlimited Turbo for users who want maximum scaling and unrestricted usage. OTO 4, Global Edition, perfect if you want to reach international audiences using multiple languages. OTO 5, DFY Silver done for you resources to help you get results faster. OTO 6, DFY Gold, even more done for you assets and advanced implementation. OTO 7, Traffic Booster designed to help drive additional views and channel exposure. OTO 8, Clickbait YT Thumbnail Generator creates attention-grabbing thumbnails designed to improve click-through rates. OTO 9, YouTube channel monetization training focused on turning views into revenue. OTO 10, YouTube viral success. Masterclass advanced strategies for growing faster and understanding viral content. My recommendation? Start with the front-end version and consider Unlimited Thunderbolt if you're serious about scaling. If you decide to pick up YouTube SuperStar through my link below, I'm also including these exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Bonus 1, Faceless YouTube Niche Domination Kit, value $297. Discover profitable faceless niches, viral content angles, proven channel ideas, and high-performing video concepts. Bonus 2, YouTube Automation Profit Blueprint, value $297. Learn how to build, grow, and monetize faceless YouTube channels using free traffic and simple automation strategies. Total bonus value $594 plus. You'll get both bonuses free when you secure YouTube Superstar through my link today. So if you've been looking for a way to build faceless YouTube channels without recording videos, learning complicated editing software, or spending thousands on freelancers, YouTube Superstar is definitely worth checking out. If you want to grab YouTube Superstar along with all my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.